look at this.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ.EPHQ. And welcome to another episode. I almost wanted to go and welcome to intermission. Do, 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 do. Yeah, intermission. Oh my gosh. Do you know the name of that band and that song? If you do, share it in the basement below in the comments. If you don't, look it up, or maybe I'll tell you. Okay, back on track. Let's do this. And welcome to another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and well, you just saw it, a bit weird. Today's episode is all about what it's like to live the life of an artist. Oh, so that's a big question. Loaded, incredibly loaded. For me, I live my life through the camera lens. Like, I know it sounds so stinking cliche, but that's the reality of it. I have a soundtrack in my mind 24/7. Case in point, I've been up since 2:21 this morning. It is, I have no idea, 7:36 in the evening. I've been going strong throughout the entire day, and I've had mad amounts of different soundtracks in my head. One of which is from the 90s, BT, otherwise known as Brian Thomas, but known as BT, with a song called Blue Skies, featuring Tori Amos. I think it's the Delphinium mix. It's really cool. If you get a chance to check it out, check it out. And like, I see everything through a camera lens. I literally, that is my life. That is totally how it is for me. A friend of mine, Dane Sanders, did the book, and the whole, like a book and a theme and a lifestyle about you are not your photography. But the reality is I am 100% through and through, running through my veins and in my blood, a photographer and a filmmaker and an artist and a visionary and an AI and marketing crazy guy. I love it. It is such a big part of me. And that's how I see the world around me. And that's how I live my life. And every aspect of what I do, I'll go on an escalator and go, oh, that would be an amazing photo shoot or whatever. What about you guys? Are you just as insane as I am? I can't possibly be one of the select few that are just kind of real authentic and a little bit weird all the time in the head. I mean, seriously, let's get real. Seriously, for real dough. Faux real dough. I cannot possibly be the only person that's like that. But that is so totally how I am all the frickin' time. So, love to hear and read and see what you guys do. Share the comments below in the basement, down in the kilt zone. Share your comments below. Love to be able to check out what you guys think and what you do and how you live your life. If you're just as insane and in the agile mind of David Esquire like me or whatever, share below. And that's it. Let's wrap it up. So that's it. And this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ.EPHQ for another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and well, this episode had a whole lot of weird to it. If you are a subscriber, congratulations! I love you, man. I love you so much. If you're not a subscriber, well, then give me a chance to love you. Let me stalk you. Like, hit the bell, hit the button, notifications, ding dong, ching chang, walla walla, bing bang, all that good stuff. And maybe I'll send a raven. Maybe I'll show up at your doorstep and we'll have to go out for a cup of coffee because you know why? Because until next time, remember to do one thing and one thing properly. Stay caffeinated. Oh, yeah. And I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.